How to verify Cash App account. In order to verify your Cash App account, you may follow up these steps. So open up the Cash App on your smartphone first and log in. And once you are logged in, you can tap on the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. After you reach over here, you can scroll down and then select the option called Security and Privacy or Identity Verification from the given menu. And once you find it up, you can just go ahead and initiate the verification process by tapping on it. So here you can just go ahead and tap on verify and here complete the process. So here provide in your personal info, which may include your name, address, and social security number. Provide in your date of birth, your current address, and you need to verify yourself. After that is done, you need to provide in your ID. So just go ahead and choose from accepted forms of ID such as your driver's license, state ID, or passport and allow the camera access. Just go ahead and continue the process. Take a photo of one of them, any one of them, and follow the instructions to take pictures of the front and back of your ID, ensuring it fits on the screen box. And after it's completed, you need to take a photo of your face, turning it slightly left and right to confirm it matches the person on the ID. And then once it is done, Cash App may ask you few questions, especially if you're verifying for Bitcoin investing. And that is it. The verification process can take from 30 minutes to full business day to complete. You may just follow up this process to verify yourself, and within some days, the Cash App account will be verified. So this is it. You may follow up this method if you'd like to do so. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.